Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are ya? I hope you're good. I have some goodies in the mail from my friend Sabrina, the Mismatched Crafter. She was able to find these for me. Yay! I'll put them away for next year. And then, she got me 2 of them, so that's awesome. Okay, I gotta get something out right away. So that was cool. Look at them, aren't they cute? So I'll put these away for next year, fall. I love the little barn, little scarecrow. So them are cool. Yep, I couldn't find these, so I'm gonna put these right up here for next year. Put them away right away. Boom. And then, love it. Found me the cup. And I wanted this cup so bad when I seen it. And mine, they had the kids one, but not these. So ready? It's the little red barn and the truck. And watch, check it out. Oh, look at that. Oh, like, oh my God. Yes, have to have it. And then she sent me some material. The truck. Awesome. And then this one. This, I think this is from the Dollar Tree, and I want to say this one is from the Walmart. And I think this is adorable. Isn't that cute? Well, it is not staying the way it is. I'm hoping I have every number. Let's see. Because I wanted to use this. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes! Awesome. So I'm going to be cutting that up. Awesome. Awesome! Thank you, Sabrina. So, also, there's this. And it's and I love the tag, so I'm going to be taking that off, of course. But on the tag, it says from Nancy and Sabrina and Zach. Nancy is Sabrina's mom. And Sabrina told me her mom made me something. I'm like, what? She did that? And Sabrina, and it was funny because Sabrina's like, I'm like, she didn't have to do that. And she goes, have you ever been able to tell your mother no? And I'm like, no. She goes, exactly. So I have no idea. So I want to be careful with this paper because I want to keep this paper. Okay. I'm like, no, I've never been able to tell my mom no. She goes, so yeah, me neither. So I have no idea. And thank you, Sabrina, Mom. And Jack. Oh, more puffballs. Oh, and a facial ice roller. Cool. Wow. Oh, yeah, that's right. She found me more material. Must have been able to stick it in. She got me the stripe. And then the truck again. I'll open them in a second. Oh, my God. I asked Sabrina. I sent Sabrina a picture the other night. Awesome. If her mom did these. The towels with the crocheted. Man, that woman's fast. And Sabrina's like, I can ask her. And I'm like, well, let her know. Because she didn't have to do these for me for Christmas. I would have bought them. Oh, I got to know them too. Oh, my God. Awesome. I told Sabrina after Christmas I'm sending her a whole bunch of money. I love these. I got a few. And I'm like, oh, my God, I want more. And I asked Sabrina if her mom didn't. I didn't care if what color the tops were. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I can't wait to hang these up. Ah! Oh, awesome. So, as I was saying, oh, my God, Sabrina. Wow. Thank your mom so much. Because I said to Sabrina, I came across the lady in town had them. And I sent a picture of Sabrina. I said, do you think your mom could do these? And Sabrina goes, I'll ask her. And I've been waiting to hear back from Sabrina. Sassy. Oh, thank you so much. But I told Sabrina, after Christmas, I'm sending her some money. I told her I don't care. Go to Dollar Tree and just buy a bunch of hand towels if she does it. I said I wanted a few for Christmas. Then I'd get them from her right away. But after Christmas, I want a few more made for my kitchen. Because I love how they hang off my oven door or my cupboards. So this is so cool. I love them. Love them, love them. Oh my God. So, I know Sabrina messaged me yesterday and said she got me some more material. She couldn't remember. So, I got more material coming. But I know she sent me, I told her, came across the truck, because I always use the truck. And see, December daily, truck. So, these probably won't be used until next year. Or you never know. In fact, I got 2. So Sabrina's like, do you want more trucks? I'm like, yes, because make pillows. And she felt me the stripe, which is cool. Mind you, I was able to find, I think, two or three. 2 or 3. I can't believe this. Man, she's fast. I just asked that like Tuesday. Sabrina's box was not supposed to be here till Monday, okay? And last night I had a daughter-mama date with Diamond, and we went and saw Charlie Bean. He's a local comedian here in Wisconsin, and he's so funny. It was such a good show. And we had to walk. We went for dinner, and then we went close to where we were going for dinner. And then we're headed there, and a police officer says, ladies, you can't bring your purses in. We walked all the way back. 4 blocks. There, 4 blocks back. Twice. Well, and then sitting in those little hard seats. My hip is bothering me today. I'm not moving too good, but it was worth it. That's a cute one. I don't know if I got that one. That is cute. So we got that one. And I want to say that's the same. And this is the one I saw Sabrina had used the other day. It's like a little mat. And I thought it was so cute. It's Be Merry with the little reindeers. Isn't it cute? Yeah, so my hips are bothering me today. So I'm not moving too fast. I didn't even go with Scott, and I had a chance to go to the Dollar Tree, and I'm like, nah, never mind. All I needed really at the Dollar Tree was some batteries, so he's going to pick me up some batteries. So I need to thank Sabrina, Zach, and Nancy. Nancy. I was like, wait, I know it's... Thank you so much. I love him, I love him, I love him. I can't believe she had these done already, and she gave them to me for Christmas. That sassy woman. You guys are sassy. Thank your mom so much for me. Can't wait to go hang them in my kitchen now. So, thank you so much. Love, love, love. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.